Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Sunday Medigu. Today I'll be sharing with you how you can promote your YouTube videos to get more views, to get more subscribers, to get more likes, comments, and engagement. I'll be using one of the videos on my channel to demonstrate this. Please note that for you to achieve this, you need to have a YouTube channel. That's number one. You also need to have uploaded videos to your YouTube channel, because it's a video uploaded to your YouTube channel that we are going to be promoting. And you also be required to have a Google Ads account, right? So if you don't have one yet, as you continue in the start the process, Google is going to ask you to set up a new Google Ads account. So the advert is going to be run from YouTube by using Google Ads. So let's get started. So this is the videos in my channel. I want to select one of the videos I want to use to demonstrate this. So you point to the title of the video, or just point to the title of the video and click the options. I'll click the options menu, then click promote, right? So when you click promote, you'll be redirected to Google Ads. So you will be asked to either create a new Google Ads account, so select an existing one, or switch your Google Ads account. So I have an ad account already. Let me just choose the one I'm using. So this is what the next page you come to. So where Google is showing you the video you have selected, and what do you want to focus on, what do you want to achieve with this video. Number one, do you want to drive video views and traffic to your website? You want more people to view your video. And number two, you want to send them to your website after viewing your video, right? So maybe you have a product you are promoting and you want people to watch the product review or product demonstration, then from there move to your website to go and purchase that product. You can use this first option here. Number two, you can drive video views and engagement with your channel. So you have a video, you want people to watch on your channel, like, subscribe, comment. You don't want to send them anywhere else. So this is the option to use. In this case, I want people to engage with my channel. I guess subscribe and like and comment and make a comment. So this is the option I'm going to choose. So you are choosing the first option. Let me just review that before we proceed. You are going to put in a landing page as a website you want people to visit. But so the button here will be visit. You understand? So that's a call to action. So when they watch this video, they will see an option to visit this website, so which I've typed here. So you understand? So then you can now add a headline. You can just move, because it gets more YouTube video views, or get video views, something like that. Yeah. So then click next and proceed. But in this case, like I said, we are going to be using this second option where we're going to drive video views and engagement with that. You want people to watch our video, but I want them to engage my channel. So that's by subscribing, viewing, liking, and all those things. That's engagement. So now I will select a thumbnail. So a thumbnail is a section of the video that I want to people to see first, right? So I can have a thumbnail that is designed from maybe Canva, that's like a graphic design that gives a topic, maybe put my picture and like that. So, or you can just use any section of the video. This at the beginning of the video, this maybe at the middle of the video, inside the video, right? So the headline is already captured from the title of the video. You understand? Then we have our description here. So I can say get more YouTube video views. I can say get more YouTube subs subscribers. You understand? So those are my headlines. So you choose a headline that's related to what your video is about. You understand? So I go next. So now it's asking me for where do I want to target. So in digital marketing, remember, number one, you have to choose your objective. What do you want to achieve? You also need to choose your location. Where the people you want to reach, where are they based? I'm living in Nigeria currently. I can also add Ghana. So this information is useful for everybody across the world, all the people across the world. So I can add South Africa also. I can add Kenya as well. So, and the more I add them, the more this estimated performance increases, right? So you can see my cost per view, average cost per view, $0.01 to $0.02. You understand? So now what languages? I can add languages. I have English and maybe Chinese here, but I can add more languages if I want. So the countries I've added, you can see that the map is trying to identifying them. Yeah, so let me move ahead. I click next here. Then I have to select the demography of those I want to reach, their age, gender, and parental status. So here I will remove this unknown. So I'll leave unknown, remove this and this, then I'll leave the rest, right? So you can see that this will affect my views. So I click next. So it's asking me for interest. So the people I want to reach, people that I want to watch this video, they want this advert to be shown to, what are they interested in, right? So I will remove this web design and development here. Let me see what's here. Social media enthusiasts. Okay, technopath, business loans. I remove it. So let me search for YouTube. So those that are interested, so interest that people are actively researching. So those that need information about making videos, those that need information about how to make a YouTube channel, those that want to increase their YouTube channel subscriptions, right? Those are people that are interested in this video I'm showing. And those that are, let me say, interested in YouTube videos, maybe they want to create their own YouTube videos. So I'll just leave it at that. Then these are the interests I've selected for now. Then you can see the estimates here. So you need to also indicate how much you're willing to spend per day for this advert. This enter a daily budget. So notice on my right here, if I vary my budget, the number of reach will increase. So impressions increasing, number of views increasing, right? So that's weekly. We're supposed to get like 13k to 35k, between 13k to 35k views. Then see my cost per view also. So now I want to use $20 per day. So you can use $100, you can use whatever you can afford. So if I use $100, for example, now $100, you can see I can get up to 120k views per week. So let me put $1,000 per day. You see, I'm getting almost 850k views per week. So the more you spend, the more results you get. So, and I want to mention that this video is very important for if you are just starting out, if you're a creator and you don't have the organic leverage yet, traffic yet, you can use a paid video. You can select one of your videos that is eye-catching and is very, very informative, or that will resonate, that you feel is best, right? So you can use that as an attraction for your audience, to grow your audience. So when you promote that video, people get to know about you, subscribe to your channel, comment, like your video, and they now become like your foot soldier. So they're able to share your content with others, even to see that your content is really benefiting to them, right? So instead of just waiting endlessly for to get traffic, initial traction, you can promote your videos, right? Even musicians, right? Even the top musicians, leading musicians, around us who release videos, they use paid promotion to get people to know, to get, awareness is number one in digital marketing. People need to know about you, so you can use paid promotion to get the needed awareness. Then you continue from there. So I've selected my daily budget. So when do I want the advert to end? I'll say it should run continuously. I'll end it myself. I can select the date I want it to end, right? So let me select this. Then I go next. Next here, I scroll down. I click next also. So I have submitted this video for review and approval. So it's pending here, right? So YouTube will look at verify this video, look at it, my adverts, and if it's fit for to be promoted, they are going to promote it. So this is what I've selected. Look at the interest we selected, the demographic. So I said both male and female should see the video. These are the age ranges. Then this is how the advert is going to look like. And look, language and location. This is my budget. So I want it to show at any time. You can also schedule your advert to show maybe during the daytime alone and not in the night too. But that's what we have for now. So I'll be bringing this video to a close here. So if you want to get more information like this about digital marketing, about business, and about growth marketing, you can subscribe to my channel now. Click the subscribe button below. Like the video so that other people can be recommended to other people. Share the video with your friends. Share it on Facebook, on WhatsApp, on other channels so they can get to know about this information. Is golden, but I decided to share it with you for free. So subscribe to my channel. Thank you.